Hello everyone, I'm Nick Hoffman, Application Engineer for Oros North Americas. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how to use the acquisition sequence in NVGate. Here we're going to be testing a pulley. The black points on the pulley indicate where we're going to be impacting with the hammer. Degrees of freedom for the hammer, such as the node that it's hitting, direction, and component, will all need to be updated before starting each measurement. NVGate Sequencer will do this update automatically after each measurement is complete. Sequences are easy to build up using a simple Excel spreadsheet. On this example, you can see the macro name, and then the degrees of freedom to update for the hammer input, and then the name of the measurements. Now let's go to the NVGate Tools tab to enable the sequence. Here we can read the current sequence and see the first step. The sequence will update the degrees of freedom into the control panel, and also it's accessible through the inputs table. Now let's enable the sequence and do the first impact tests. The measurement name is read from the sequence and the next DOF is ready to be hit. Alright, let's see how simple it is to create a sequence from scratch. First, we open an Excel worksheet and then write the name of the sequence in the first cell. Below that, the first column contains the names of the measurements that will be incremented throughout the process. The second column contains the name of the input for which the settings will be changing throughout the process. The third column contains the node numbers or any other settings that will be updating throughout the measurement for the inputs mentioned in the column before. Now let's take a look at how to import that sequence into NVGate. From the Tools tab, we're going to click Manage. Click on Import and browse to and select the Excel sequence created in the step before. Click the Open button and then the Load button. With the Sequence Viewer, we can check what will happen at each sequence step. We can also browse in the sequence and see how the measurement name and node number will be changed at each step. Now we enable the sequence so that after each measurement, the next settings will be updated by the process automatically. Here we perform the first measurement with 3 impacts at node 1. At the end of the measurement, the save window displays the measurement name. After saving, the measurement name and node number are automatically updated and the first measurement can be found in the project manager. Now let's take a quick look at how to get full automated batch measurements. First, we change the save setup parameters to automatically save the measurements with the names from the sequence and avoid the save confirmation window at the end of each measurement. We also change the sequence properties to launch a new measurement automatically after the current acquisition is completed. Now the process is completely automated.